our newly installed portable water purifier with 800 gallons per day capacity. So it is installed in Rawis, Legazpi City. So from the source, yan, magtatap lang tayo dyan. Okay, papunta yan sa pre-filter ng system, which is the granular activated carbon, the polishing carbon, and the sediment filter 1 micron or the microfiltration. Itutulak ng pump doon sa dalawang RO membrane with 400 GVD capacity each. Plus meron din siyang water storage tank na 20 gallons. Yan. Then from water storage tank, it will pass through post filter, which is the carbon. Okay, carbon, it enhance taste. Okay, so yung isang line papunta yan sa faucet kung saan doon magre-refill ng container pang inumin na, pang konsumo. Then yung owner ay merong boarding house, so pwede niyang i-supply sa mga estudyante. Then yung isang line ay papunta naman po yan doon sa ice cube maker. So ang magiging finished product niya ay purified cube ice. So tamang-tama yon kasi napakaganda, crystal clear talaga yung pagka-cube ice niya at purified pa siya. Safe na safe. Okay, then yan, dalawa yung magiging supply niya para pang sarili, pang inumin, then pang supply sa ice machine. So, yun po yung kagandahan pagka meron kang sariling portable water purifier. So, it also protect the ice machine. Okay? So, napakaganda. So, approve.